Is your Hisense TV's red light is blinking? Don't panic. I've got easy methods to fix this issue. First, check the power supply. Make sure your TV is plugged into a working outlet. Sometimes loose connections or faulty power strips cause that red light to blink. Unplug and replug your TV to double-check. Next, reset the TV. Unplug it from the power source and wait about 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and turn it on. This simple reset often resolves the issue. Third, check the remote control. A stuck button can cause the TV to malfunction. Remove the batteries and press each button a few times. Then, try turning on the TV again. Fourth, update the firmware. Outdated firmware can cause that blinking red light. Check the Hisense website for the latest updates and follow the instructions to update via USB if needed. Finally, inspect HDMI connections. Unplug all HDMI cables and plug them back in one by one. Ensure all cables are securely connected and undamaged. Follow these steps and your Hisense TV should be back to normal.